Trey Trey.
Day 3. Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Hi guys, it's day 3 and we're in St. Kitts. It's raining right now, so we're just taking our time getting ready. And then we're gonna go enjoy some breakfast, and the weather's supposed to pass, and then we're gonna get off and explore the island. We don't see any beaches from the ship right now, so we might just be doing some shopping and have to do a little deeper exploration to find the beach, but it's gonna be a good day. So we heard that the monkeys are thieves, that they're trained to pickpocket you when you try to take pictures with them or stop to admire them. So we gotta make sure everything is zipped and strapped on tight, and that we have everything and we're done with the monkeys too. The rain has stopped too, so we're just getting ready to head on down.
Got it?
Is he still up there?
Yeah.
He likes your head, he fell off mine.
There.
Here you go. That's a
right on the side it says
Alright, we're heading back in. We just had lunch on the ship. We had found a local taxi driver who's going to take us on a private bus tour to about 6 different stops on the island. And we're really excited. That's only going to cost us about $15 per person. The same or similar tour we'd have booked through the Royal Caribbean would have been about $80 to $100 a person. So we're pretty excited. We think it was a good deal. And the weather's definitely cleared up. It's a little cloudy this way, but we are excited to go on our tour. Hi guys, so we're on our open air bus. Just our family, right? That's the perks of traveling with a big family, is we only have to have one bus for us, and nobody else is on the bus with us. We got a different spots we're gonna check out. We're really excited. You excited, Aaron? Yes. Can you say hi? Ray's excited.
Right here at the beach, where the Royal Bank of Canada is, there were a fourth bus there. Downtown bus there, folks. We're right into the capital, downtown bus there. And on the left there was a square, the first square in St. Kitts, before even Parliament Square. It was right there on your left. Straight ahead of you is a monument that's built in the honor of Thomas Berkeley. Berkeley was a planter, part of the English Empire, that passed the laws and rules and regulations on Ireland. Straight ahead of you is a monument that's built in the honor of him. He also was a downtown boss there, folks.
You guys traffic is insane.
Goes down to
Area.
banking section. The Republican Bank. Bank of Trinidad. Right here in Second. We have a lot of powerful places in downtown Varsity. Like the Domino's right here, folks. It is completed. Along with the French terminal right the golf. It's pretty dormant. You can go in the equator and have breakfast. A couple of skin boilers. You go to Black Sand Beach. Right there on your left, folks.
A volcanic black sand beach. How pretty.
We made the two islands sinking the needles together. On your left, the last mountain right over there, full of clouds. When Christopher Columbus was passing in 1493, he saw the mountain full of clouds. He thought it was snow, snowing the Spanish and seven. That's why he got the name Needles Farm. The guy, the US $10 bill is from that island. Beautiful
Right there,
view.
the big ship is ours, and that little tiny one's another ship down next to it. Just to show you exactly how big
Nice,
our ship is.
beautiful view.
Stop it.
Infected. Rush Street, across place for the finished graduate. The Ross University School of Veterinary Medicine.
So we're heading in to check out the sugar distillery, or the sugar plantation, and the rum distillery. Back under here is beautiful. And then on my right side is the rainforest. It's beautiful, beautiful area. Here's everybody. Say hi, guys. What do you think?
Oh my god. Very warm. Beautiful though.
Hola.
Ready to drink some rum. There, how do we
You can go upstairs.
I don't know. Let's just keep walking this way. Mommy will understand probably. No, I know. Place and what do you think lives out in there?
Monkeys. Oh, all right.
Entrance fees.
Sit on the rum barrels like what we did at the thing.
They have like little cannons.
We're in a volcano firing tunnel.
Or you want to go on the outside of that and take pictures of us in here? No glasses this time.
The light that you see at the end of this tunnel is provided by a superbly constructed stone shaft.
Okay, this is the lower part of the rainforest, folks. Right here, where we are. And all the vines are there. We call it locally, we call them the thousand. The vines hit the ground, get the nutriment, and they spread from tree to tree. Goals in a particular tree, they protect the loved one from the predators, the mongoose, the rats. Right there, folks, you can have some pictures right there as the
That's cool.
egret bird.
So cute.
Hi guys, so right here on this side is the Caribbean Sea, and on This back here is the Atlantic Ocean. Isn't that cool? Look at that view. It is gorgeous. Wow, guys. Ray, what do you think? Is that pretty?
Oh, you like it?
We're definitely gonna have to go through these pictures like some super.
Oh my goodness. I know. Gorgeous.
I didn't get good pictures.
That is breathtaking. I know where I am retiring to in the future.
So beautiful, beautiful view, overlooking the beautiful island of St. Kitts.
Heading back now.
Mariac Hotel, of course, the beach course, they're looking pretty good. All the development of the southeastern part of the island.
All things.
Yeah, no, I see it all.
I see it all the way. From one end to the water to behind it all.
Cheddar cheese is white.
What about cheddar cheese?
What are you fishing for?
No, it's cheddar cheese. It's all white.
Cheddar cheese is not white. American cheese is white.
Yeah.
Swiss cheese is
Here. I'm gonna eat a whole bunch of
Is that a dumpling? In the background, is that a dumpling?
really dug down and spun that seed just for a chunk of cheese. Yep.
That's
Was it
not,
good?
That's not my dad. Marissa, that's your dad.
You
not
should have
mine.
taken a nap. What was your favorite part of today?
Just the weather.
Mom, what was your favorite part of today?
Where?
What was your favorite part of today?
Of St. Kitts. Learning that they were the first ones to free the slaves in history.
Jordan, what was your favorite part of today?
Sleeping.
What was your favorite part of the day, Marissa?
Getting to have two monkeys on my shoulders.
Lexi, what was your favorite part?
I love the monkey on my head.
I liked the monkeys. The monkeys were great.
Seeing the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean at the same time.
What was your favorite part, Raylan?
The French fries.
The French fries and the Grinch again?
And what was your favorite part?
The tour.